Hello, I'm John. Welcome to Bryson Reviews. Today we're going to look at how to stop this Kenwood microwave from beeping. It's an awful noise. When we bought this Kenwood microwave, there was no indication of how loud the beeps were going to be, and the instructions didn't show any way of turning this Kenwood microwave beep down or preferably off altogether. Today I'm going to see if I can turn it off forever. Looking inside the cabinet, it's all very clean, but you can actually see the culprit just there. Right, tucked in here is the little buzzer, and I am going to disconnect it completely. Take that out of the way while I do it. It's fixed to the board, but there is a piece of metal just there that I can disconnect. And I'm going to put a screwdriver just behind there, and pip, plop, it's out of place. Now I'm going to test it in a moment. So here we go, just to test what we've done. We're back where we started, but this time with no beep, and I hope that this will work for you with your Kenwood. Silence. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, there's more Bryson Reviews underway. Bye for now, best of luck.